A modern way of doing this is by using spread operator. Okay, for example, we say const data is equal to count 20, and then const clone is equal to data. This is a modern way, like ES6 of doing this. This is spread operator, should be curly braces. Sorry. So then we say clone.data, we assign it a different value, maybe 140. So we should console log then we say count.data no, it should be data.count which we expect it to be 20, and console. Okay, here we say clone.count. This, we expect this to be 140. So this is totally a new way of doing this instead of copying and doing all that, okay? Referencing and stuff. So you just clone the data. So we'll run. Okay, 20. We are seeing 20. Console.data.count should be 20, but this clone.count should be 10. So let me try to do something here. Maybe data.clone one should be something is wrong. So the reason why we are getting 2020 is because the error is here. Data.clone is giving us 20 because we have the data here, the count is 20, and then we are saying data.clone is equal to this, but it's not working out. It should actually be clone, because we are cloning this 20. It should be count. So we are cloning the count, but then we are assigning it a new number. So it should basically be clone.count. Yeah, so we get 20 and 140. That's it.